So how to delete website on Hostinger. So what you're gonna have to do here, it's super simple. Here you're gonna see the website you created, 3 websites. I created 2 websites. Now I just have to click on here for hosting. And I have 2 websites actually. 3, the third one is with WordPress. And now here I have 2 temporary domains, and I want to delete one. I can actually connect this temporary domain, but what I want to delete one. So what I'm gonna have to do here is to click on the 3 dots here, and then here you're gonna see delete. Now click on delete. Make sure you delete the right website, double check, and here you're gonna see that's going to be deleted all the stored data, databases, custom code, email accounts, order list, images. So make sure you are very sure. So just remember that deleting a website from Hostinger is really permanent and cannot be undone. All your file data, bases and settings will be permanently erased. So if you have important data, make sure to back up your website before processing this deletion, and you'll lose all website content. I know I'm repeating myself probably a couple of times, but just make sure you're deleting um, the right website you want to delete. You can see here this action cannot be undone. Okay, so now yeah, just click on delete, and that's pretty much it. So now website being deleted. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and take care.